Hi guys, this is our fifth video in which we are going to discuss about the variables. As you can see, here is my main.tf file here, and we have two more files. One is called variable.tf and what is called another is called terraform.tf vars. So what is the use of these two files? I will explain. So here we define basically the variables, and here we define the values of the variable. Now let me explain you. For example, I have defined a variable. That variable is called hub resource group, and the default value of hub resource group is azrg hub. This is the default value. Okay, so it means when we go into my main.tf, and if we see here, as you can see here, when we are creating a resource group, I have given like this var.hub resource group. It means it will go to hub resource group and it will take this default value, hub resource group. So this also supports autocomplete. So for example, I do a backspace, so var.c, it is automatically showing hub resource group. I am selecting my hub resource group, so I am saving it. This is a one way to do it. There is another way to do it as well. For example, I have defined a variable mgt resource group, but I haven't give any value of mgt resource group. As you can see, it is blank. Value you can give where? In this file, terraform.tf vars. So in this way you can create a separate file and you can make your code short. Okay, and how we have defined here, if I go to main.tf, as you can see here, we have defined var.mgt resource group. Again, it supports autocomplete. Var dot, as you can see, it is showing mgt resource group. So there are two ways I have told you that how we can define variables. Now there is one third way as well, where we are using some key values. For example, here I am using sorry, it should be map, not string. Okay, for example, here we are using a key value, and that key value is called map. Okay, so this is a and what kind of map it is? It is a string. Okay, so I have taken this key value map and the value of and this location. Basically, here we are defining location. So we are creating a variable named location, and the type is map. Now, when you define map, you can give different value. For example, we can give location 1 West US, location 2 East US, and more location you can give. So this is the benefit of this map key value. Now, if we go to my main.tf, as you can see, in location I have given var.location.location1. Okay, and here we have given var.location.location2. So I want both resources in the same location, so we can change. Let me show you how it works and how autocomplete works. Var dot location dot location 1. Like this we can define location. So what it will go into this location variable, and it will take this location 1 value. Now again you can see I have defined one more variable that is called vnets, and again and the type is list. So in list you can define a number of things. This is the first value, this is the second value. How we can call here? If you go again in main.tf, as you can see, in address space I have given var dot vnets and value 1. It means var variable, then vnets, and it will take value 1. Similarly here, if you can see, here we have given var dot vnets and value 2. If we go here, var variable dot vnets and value 2. So in this way we can use these key values. For example, this is called list, this is called map. This kind of things can be used. Now let me save this file and let us run Terraform validate. So the configuration is valid. Okay, it is showing your and also I'm doing terraform.fmt so that the format would be good. Now let us do Terraform apply. I have already logged in into my Azure account. Now I'm running Terraform apply. So this is not only one variable, there are many things which I will tell you in future, many types of variables. For example, today we have discussed map variable, list variable and default, and for example this file where we can save the value of the variables. So it's running, it is giving me some error, but it is showing that var this one, the given key does not identify an element, this collection value, the given index is greater than or equal to the length of collection. Okay, so let us see, var.winner is the list with 2 elements. Okay, so here I have done one small mistake. So here counting starts from 0 and 1, not 1 and 2. Let me save it and let me run Terraform validate once again. The configuration is valid and Terraform apply. So if you face any index error, it will show you that, for example, here it is showing that first it starts from 0 and 1. So this is 0 and this is 1, not 1 and 2. Now I am going to give yes, so that it will plan to add 4 things it will add. So let us command run, then I will show you that what resources are created. I'm pausing the video because it's going to get time, and I will come back again when all of these resources are created. Okay, again it's given an error. What error given? Line number 37, it has given an error. So why this is giving an error? The reason is very simple. It is trying to find out AZRG MGT and AZRG hub, which is not yet created. Once this will create, afterwards this will create. Okay, so we need to wait until these 2 resources are created, so we can use a function that is called depends on. Now this depends on Azure RM resource group hub RG because it depends on it. And again we can define similarly here, depends on this MGT resource group. Okay, now again we will run the command. Let us save it first. So I'm saving my code. Again I'm going to run Terraform FMT first, and then afterwards Terraform apply. So this error shows us because the resources which was dependent was not created first. So once that resources was created, then these value and this function will work. So here we have learned one more thing, that is called depends on. Yes, there are more parameters there like depends on, we will discuss in the upcoming video. I am pausing the video and I will return back once the resources are created. As you can see, there are 4 resources added. Now let us see whether we can see these resources on the cloud or not. So this is my Azure cloud. Okay, now I will go to resource group. As we can see, we have 2 resource group now, AZRG hub and AZRG MGT, where we have this VNet. Okay, and we can see what is the value of this VNet. This is the value of the VNet. We will again go to the source group EZLGMGT, and there is a VNet, and here is the value of the VNet. So this complete about this tutorial of variables. We will meet in the next lab. Thank you for watching.